Hi Suresh. So here's a quick um, uh, screencast on your page again. Oh, sorry, that should be staging 2. So here we go. I've cleared the image cache and I've put this on mid-tier mobile. So that will slow things right down so we can have a good look at what's going on here. Okay, HTML fonts are loading now. You can see something happening there. That's Essential Grid, I think. I think that's Essential Grid. So it looks like we've got Essential Grid activating before Slider Revolution. Okay, there's Slider Revolution. Okay, Instagram, that still hasn't come in. And there actually is no Essential Grid on this page. So yeah, the Essential Grid needs to load in. This Slider Revolution still looks like it's loading after the Instagram, and as I've mentioned before, Instagram images are all down here. So ideally, we want the Slider Revolution to actually be displaying. Let me get your one. Which one is it? You're staging 2. So you can see here. This is Revolution extensions. Yeah, this could be it. I don't know. But these 3 files here. So basically, all of these images have to load before this one will. Now it looks like there was a whole lot of files here before. If I have a look, this is a staging 1. You can see that there's CSS and Instagram CSS and a whole lot of CSS files here and jQueries and all of that. But yours, have you cleaned this up? Because if you have, that's really good. But yeah, just wondering, did you maybe get them all under Auto Optimize? Perhaps, if you could let me know, that'd be great. But real world, this is still loading later, and at the moment, Essential Grid is not loading in this page. So anyway, I'll throw it over to you. Thanks, Suresh.